When you make gratitude the focus of your daily interactions with others, each action you perform will be rooted in thanksgiving. You can do this if you make your day-to-day activities and actions thankful, deliberate and purposeful. It will help you can make your life more positive and achieve more success in your daily projects. Here are a few tips and strategies to do this. Do you take time to appreciate the simple blessings in your life? Do you express gratitude for the opportunity to serve others through your work? Do you remind yourself when you step into your office that having a job is something a lot of people are looking for right now? You have to choose to move through life with a grateful mindset. This will help you to focus on the positive side of life. In which situations is it difficult for you to stay focused on being thankful? What do you do during your interactions with others? How do you use your positive mindset to counteract negative energy from others? Before you greet a friend or stranger, do you express gratitude that you are able to see them and speak with them? Your initial expressions can set a positive tone for your conversation. Or negative one. The problem with a negative tone is that it sets you up for conversational stress. Don't do it because when you invite stress into your life, through negative interactions the damage to your self-esteem, health and productivity. When the simple blessings of life are apparent to you with each step that you take, you will appreciate simple things like the ability to breathe, walk and enjoy the taste of food. This can motivate you to move deliberately and with gusto in your daily activities and projects. You have to learn to avoid self-pity and avoid moping around even when you are feeling down. Let your steps be guided by gratitude, instead of anger and envy. What is your level of family wellness? Though staying calm when you discipline your children is sometimes challenging, it becomes easier and less stressful when you remind yourself that kids are precious gifts who deserve proper guidance. Keep your mission clear when teaching them life lessons. When they know how much of a blessing they are, your job is well done. What are some of things you are thankful for? Make giving thanks is a natural part of your daily life. You can celebrate opportunities to show your grateful mindset. Recognizing the goodness in life allows you to live happily and peacefully. This should be part of your process of self-mastery and relentless improvement.